Hi everyone, I'm Agna KB, Ranger, Zanzibar Ranger Team Chalakudi from Kerala State's Bharat Scouts and Guides. I'm here today to talk about the topic map making by road traverse method. What is a map? A map is simply a plan of ground on paper. The plan is usually drawn as the land would be seen from directly above. A good map tells 5 things and it described as 5 Ds. Description, details, direction, distance and designation of the places given in the map. Next, the methods of map making. Currently, there have been used 3 methods in scouting. First, triangulation method, second, plantable method and third, road traverse method. Here, we are going to discuss the topic about road traverse method. Road traverse method. The road traverse method is used to map the route of the traveling. Here, I am given a model of road traverse strip. The road traverse strip is a table of 2 columns. The left side, which is used for marking the pace, and the right column for marking bearing as the degree. The required accessories for this method are magnetic compass, protractor, pencil, scale and eraser, road traverse strip and plane sheet. It is convenient to have 2 people during doing this method, especially when studying, one for taking the bearing and other for taking the paces and marking the woodcraft signs. Generally, there are 2 phases for drawing the map by road traverse method. Phase 1. Marking of bearing, pace and woodcraft signs on the road traverse strip. Phase 2. After the traveling, marking all the data into a plain sheet for making a map. Phase 1. For example, a person starts his journey from point A to point E. First mark 0 on the left side of the road traverse strip distance column. At the position A, place the compass flat on your palm and palm in front of your chest. This is the proper compass stance. Next, the compass setting for this. Twist the degree dial until the orienting arrow lines up with the north end of the magnetic needle. From the point A to point E, look on a fixed thing as like a curve in the path and mark it as point B. Then take the bearing of the point B from point A. Let the bearing 90 degree and mark on right side of the strip. Then move from point A to point B while counting the pace. Let the distance from point A to point B is 100 pace and mark it to the strip. At the point B, looking forward to pointing E, there will be a curved point called point C and the bearing is 110 degree. The pace from point B to point C is 150. Continue the finding of bearing and pacing and mark it on road traverse strip. Also, try to make the woodcraft signs in the roadside to sides of the strip. By the end of phase 1, the road traverse strip be completed from the position A to position E. In the phase 2, step 1, convert the pace distance into the meter or kilometer. For this conversion, length of the pace into number of pace is the method and the answer be in centimeter. Let we can take pace equal to 50 centimeter. We have to convert the pace distance into centimeter. So that we have to multiply the number of pace with the length of the pace. As the length of the pace is 50 centimeter. So for multiplying we get 50 into 100 equal to 5000 centimeter. In second, 50 into 150 we get 7500 centimeter. In third, 50 into 500 we get 25,000 centimeters. In fourth, 50 into 150 we get 7500 centimeters. Now the all reading is in centimeter. Then we have to convert it into meter. For converting it into meter, that is equal to distance travelled in centimeter divided by 100. So in first case, 5000 divided by 100 equal to 50 meter. In second case, 7500 divided by 100 equal to 75 meter. And in third case, 25,000 divided by 100 equal to 250 meter. After converting the all values in meter, we have to set scale setting. The step 2 is scale setting. For that, the highest meter value is used for making scale. Here, the highest value is 250 meter, that is 25,000 centimeter. So that the scale is equal to 1 centimeter, that is equal to 25 meter. The step 3, finally the map drawing. In step 3 follows so many steps, and the first step is take a plain sheet of paper. Second step, at the right top of the paper, mark it as the north with an arrowhead. Step 3, below the paper, mark the scale. Step 4, at the center of the page, mark a point. The descriptions are depicted on the picture. Next, step 5. Place the protractor at the center of the paper and it is parallel with the north arrowhead. Step 6. Mark the first degree, that is 90 degree, in the road traverse strip by using a protractor and mark it as point B. Step 7. Join the points A and B and between them is 50 meter, that is equal to 2 centimeter. Step 8. Place the protractor on the point B and mark the next bearing on the strip. Continue the process. Step 9. After the map sketching, makes the lines in the shape of a rod by adding parallel lines to it. Also, mark the woodcraft signs and place names to side of the road for making more visible map. Thank you all for watching this tutorial.